If there is a mighty eagle, well, how come we don't ever hear his battle cry?
I don't know.
Maybe we have.
What would a mighty eagle battle cry sound like? You know what? I think I got an idea. Maybe something like,
No, I bet it's more like... That's theoretically what it's more like, scientifically.
Oh, I got one.
Not bad. It's a good impression. But in my head, I'm kind of imagining it's something more like a... That sounds about right.
Now I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more subtle. Like a little bit just more majestic, like...
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片。
The giant enemy spider.